So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Smart Padho. So in today's video we are going to study some interesting GK questions. So let's get started. So our first question is, who was the first Indian as well as the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize? The correct answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913 for his book Gitanjali. He was the first Indian and first Asian to receive this honor. Second question is, which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? The correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, located in the easternmost part of India, is called the land of rising sun because it is the first Indian state to receive the morning sunlight. So the third question, which is very important, which is the largest Indian state by population? The correct answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India with over 20 crore, which is 200 million people, contributing a significant portion to the national population. The fourth question is, what is the name of the classical dance from Tamil Nadu? The correct answer is B. Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam originated in the temples of Tamil Nadu and is one of the oldest classical dance forms in India, known for its grace, expressions and hand gestures, which is called mudras. The fifth question is, in which year did the first passenger train run in India? The correct answer is B. 1853. The first passenger train in India ran on April 16, 1853 for Mumbai Bori Bandar to Thane, covering a distance of 34 kilometers. Question 6. Which Indian city is known as the City of Prime Ministers? The correct answer is Allahabad, which is currently known as Prayagraj. Prayagraj, formerly Allahabad, is called the City of Prime Ministers as many Indian Prime Ministers Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi hailed from here. Question 7. What is the name of Indian Space Agency? The correct answer is C. ISRO. ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, is India's national space agency. Founded in 1969, it manages India's space missions like Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan. Eighth question is, what is the name of the first Indian satellite? The correct answer is B. Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, launched in 1975, was India's first satellite. It was named after the ancient Indian mathematician and launched by the Soviet Union. Question 9. Which Indian city is known as the City of Joy? The correct answer is C. Kolkata. Kolkata is called the City of Joy, a term popularized by author Dominic Lapierre's novel of the same name, reflecting the city's warmth and cultural spirit. 10th question is, what was the old name of Karnataka? The correct answer is A. Mysore. Before 1973, Karnataka was known as the state of Mysore. It was renamed to represent the all Kannada-speaking regions. 11th question is, which is the first Indian film? The correct answer is A. Raja Harishchandra. Raja Harishchandra 1913, directed by Dada Saheb Phalke, is considered the full-length Indian feature film, marking the beginning of Indian cinema. Question 12th. Which was the first Indian talkie movie? The correct answer is B. Alam Ara. Alam Ara 1931 was India's first sound film. It introduced synchronized sound and songs, revolutionizing Indian cinema. 13th question is which was the first color movie made in India? The correct answer is B. Kisan Kanya. Kisan Kanya 1937 was India's first color film, produced by Aditya Irani, who also made Alam Ara. 14th question is which country first discovered water on the moon? The correct answer is B. India. India's Chandrayaan-1 mission 2008 made the first discovery of water molecules on the moon's surface, a major achievement of ISRO. 15th question is which is the biggest jail in India? The correct answer is B. Tihar Jail. Tihar Jail, located in New Delhi, is the largest prison complex in South Asia, housing thousands of inmates across multiple sub-jails. 16th question is who is the author of Harry Potter? The correct answer is C. J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling, a British author, wrote the world-famous Harry Potter series, which became one of the best-selling book series in history. Question 17th. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? The correct answer is B. Bengaluru. Bengaluru, which is called Bangalore, is called the Silicon Valley of India because it is the hub of IT industries, startup and major tech companies like Infosys, Wipro and TCS. 18th question is who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? The correct answer is C. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi became India's first and only woman Prime Minister in 1966. She was known for her strong leadership and major decisions like the Green Revolution and emergency. Question 19th. Which Indian monument is known as the symbol of love? The correct answer is B. Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal in Agra was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz. It is one of the 7 wonders of the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Last question of this video is, what is the national fruit of India? The correct answer is B. Mango. The mango is India's national fruit, known as the king of fruits. It is loved across the country and has many varieties like Alfonso, Dasari and Langar. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.